In this video on BRDS stock or birds global, I'm going to show you my technical analysis, forecast outlooks, and predictions on it. Okay, in around 3 minutes. So why you should probably watch this video till the end of these 3 minutes, because I'm going to use a profitable strategy that has been shown to work in the past statistically to execute it on this stock and actually give you the exact price action with this tool in which one I'm going to expect the price to go. That sounds good enough. Continue watching the video. Now let's get into the sauce. A short disclaimer, okay, before we get into the sauce. Nobody, and I mean nobody, knows the future of anything. Nobody knows where BRDS is going to go, not even the CEO, not even me, nobody. Okay, that being said, this is just going to be my perspective and opinion. I'm just going to follow the rules of the strategy that has been shown to work in the past, and that sounds good. Let's get right into it. BRDS, we always have to follow with the first rule, which is overall the trend and the structure. BRDS is in a bearish trend, okay, and we can basically just zoom out on the weekly chart. You can go to the weekly and just zoom out and see how big of a bearish trend we're in. Crazy. It is crazy. Okay, then we can come back down to the daily chart, see how we actually start to deliver the structure down. Then we shifted bullish on the weekly, which is again was a very close call on the weekly because we definitely didn't break the weekly, and now we're in this range. Again, it's a bearish thing. Actually, even just this past week, if not today, we made the new all-time lows ever have been made in BRDS, and yeah, that's actually the case. Unfortunately, we also have a short split going on. I think that's going to happen on Monday. We're going to open a quite different of a price action. Now, that being said, statistically, actually just looking at the chart, it's going to be the same, but the price is going to be just different. So, that being said, I will probably just still expect these lows to continue to get cleared, which is what I think is the case is going to be. Again, I'm just following the rules of the strategy that has been shown to work in the past. No feelings involved whatsoever. I'm not putting anything out of my behind. So, this, if you found any value, like the video, is going to help me out a ton. And if you want to learn the strategy I'm using that has, of course, been shown to work in the past, you can go ahead and check out the first link in the description. Also, when you're there, join the 200 plus subscribers to the Mr. Sequence like newsletter. You'll get the most valuable tips and insights that are worth thousands of dollars every Sunday for free in your DM. If that sounds fair enough, go ahead and check it out to actually get better profitable and make money trading.